Hello and welcome back to my channel. You are watching Through My Eyes Beauty, where you can find a little bit of makeup, some mom hacks, tips and tricks, and a little bit of military lifestyle as I live it. Today I did a Valentine's Day look. Very simple, very sultry. Fun fact, my husband and I actually got married on Valentine's Day. Yes, we are those people. So this holiday is actually very near and dear to my heart. If you really like this look, let me know, because I'm thinking about doing a sort of a 12 days of Valentine's Day look. So just give you looks back to back to back, like up until the day before Valentine's Day, kinda, you know what I'm saying? And that's my son, the product of Valentine's Day, actually. That's another story. But if you are interested in something like that, like 12, 13, 14 videos back to back to back to back to back on some Valentine's Day looks, let me know. I'll put it in the little poll either here, here, or here. Also, it's so cute. Also, my face makeup is already completed in this video. I figured you've seen me do it all year long. Cut it out this time, and I was able to actually focus and hopefully explain a little bit more to you what I was doing, why I did what I did as far as this look. It's a little bit more of a tutorial versus just giving it to you like bam and hoping you understand what I did. So if you like that concept, let me know. I'm really looking forward to you guys' feedback, and yeah, let's get started. My face is already done. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Check it out. So I'm going in with the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. It is beautiful. Has lots of pinks and purples and nudes all through it. So I'm going in with that first shade. I am patting and buffing with a blending brush, a fluffy blending brush. And that's going to allow me to diffuse the color in order for it to blend in with my skin a little bit later. At this point, I am concentrating that color on the inside and the outside of my eye, making sure to blend inward more so than outward in order to not have my eyeshadow go too crazy on the outside of my eye. Taking that next shade, I decided to use that it is flat on one side and then it's skinny on the other side. And what I do is I'll use that flat wide part to pack on color, and then when I'm blending, I will turn it either sideways. I'll either turn it vertically or horizontally in order to blend out the colors as I need to. Going in with the next shade, just patting it on. That is a synthetic shader brush as well. It's actually more so a concealer brush, but I use that one because it's more dense and it'll allow me to deposit more color in a very precise manner. So just patting, and then I'll go back in with that other brush and blend it out. So just going back and forth, patting, blending, and building that color to my desired look, I guess. I'm making it as deep as possible. The colors in that palette are not very dark at all, but I definitely want to build it in order to show contrast for sure. So that's what it's supposed to look like there. So once again, going in with that brush, I am showing you what it looks like. It's flat, but it is also wide. So at this time, I am going in with it horizontal, and I am blending it back and forth. What that is going to do is it's going to connect the two darker colors that I have on the outer and the inner portion so that I can create a halo eye or a spotlight, as others would call it. once I have deposited to where it is nice and dense, I will turn it sideways and start to blend it out. So to deposit color and to make the color show up more pigmented, turn it horizontally. But if I want to blend it out and blend it up so that the edges don't seem so harsh, that is when I will turn it vertically, as you see right now. Alright, so whatever's left on that brush, I'm just going on the outer third to outer 2/3 of that eye. It's going to add a little bit more depth, but I don't want to close in my eye completely. So I'm going to put a lighter color on the inside. Boom, that one, actually. So I'm going to go in with my finger. Such a pretty color. And I'm going to place that on the center to create that halo or that spotlight. And then once I apply the pigment primarily to the center, I tap around the edges of it so that it doesn't seem so harsh. Nice and neat. And that's what it looks like. So now I'm just taking that same blender brush. Remember, that one is to diffuse. So I'm just going on the inner and the outer side to make sure that it is properly blended. That is the e.l.f. cream liner. I actually really enjoy that one. It's very soft, but it's still long wearing. I am not creating a wing. I am just going over my lash line just to create a little bit of definition there. And it'll also help to hide my lash band when I get ready to put the lashes on later. So after I apply that, I go in with a small blender brush, a lip brush, just a tiny shader brush, and I blend out the edges so that it doesn't just stop abruptly. And then I apply whatever's left on that brush, that black, to my bottom thirds, and that's what that looks like. So it just added a little bit of depth. I'm going in with those two darker colors once again just to blend out that black now so that it doesn't take over, and then going in with that lightest shade there on the inner corner and on the bottom. So I love the way it showed up on my inner corner there, but it was not giving me life on my bottom lash line. So later on you will see me go in with some glitter by Urban Decay. So here's me applying it to the inner corners of my eye and just dragging it up a little bit to carve out my eye meat. I don't know what else that would be called. That's just the extra eye meat that I have on my eyelid, so that's what I call it. But just to blend that out, carve it around, add a little bit of drama. That's what I did. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. That's what the shimmer looks like. And then I'm going to throw on some lashes. These are the Ardell faux mink lashes in 811. I love the fact that they upgraded their lashes. They are so pretty now. And then I grabbed my wig, honey. Okay. But again, this is where I figured out that I didn't really, it wasn't really saying anything on my bottom lash line. So that is the Heavy Metals glitter by Urban Decay. A cute little baby pink. And I just put it on the inner thirds of my bottom lash line. I also believe that NYX has a glitter liner in this shade. So if you don't want to spend like $20 on this glitter, which this glitter is awesome. I'm not going to lie to you, it's awesome. But if you do not want to spend that kind of money, NYX has a smaller version. Alright, and this is the finished look. Giving you a little bit of face right here. Yes. Once again, I do want to take the time and thank you all for taking the time out to watch my video. Again, please, please, please let me know if you are interested in that little 12 Days of Valentine's Day series. I will more than love to do that for you guys because it's, like I said, it's my favorite holiday, so I'm always down. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you would like to, share it with your friends. If this is not even really for you, maybe somebody else will like it. But yes, you all be good, be smart, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.